Hello, I'm Chris and nice to see you again. In the last video, I showed you what is the basic operation of the FuzzyStudio and what is FuzzyStudio. And in this video, I will show you how to save the position and how to use these position to create a transactions. So let's start. So now I'm start my FuzzyStudio. What I need to do, I need to create a new project. And I insert my robot, so I choose the final robot in here. Let's see here, the final robot is import in my system, in my project. Actually, in the right hand corner, there is a save the position tab. In here, you can save any position now of your robot. For example, now I want to save this position. I just go to the save position and then click the add new position. And then a position 0 is add in my saved position list. So we can also click the pencil icon to edit our position name. For example, I call this to home. Okay. So what I need to do in here, I just need to select to here and then select the TCP, and then just drop a little bit down, okay, and go here and just save at a new position. So a new position 1 is add. I can drop here, add a new position, and then go this side to add a new position. Okay, finish. So now I have a home position and position 1, 2, 3. Now we can use this point to create our transistors. So before that, in the last tutorial, we only used this scene tab. Now I can show you how to use the transistor tabs. Go here, you can create your transistors by using just a plus button. Now we can use click the new transistors is insert in your project. You can click the pencil icon to change the name. I'll call it program 1. Okay, and then here is a tab it's called from. FuzzyStudio provide different ways to let you to input the points to create your own transistors more efficiently. But in this tutorial, I show the most easy way. It is used to save the position. So click to here. Then a small screen is shown here. You can choose saved position, which position you need to add, and add to which line inside your program. So at the end, so it means at the end. So what you need to do is save the position, choose home, and add to end. You can choose add after or add start something, and then press OK. A new point is add. So what you do is go to position 1, go to position 2, go to position 3. Oops, okay, position 3, and then go back to home. Okay, so if they're ready, maybe I need to change it to allow me to use spin. I can use a line. It's work. I explain it in the future tutorial also. So now after you create your own project transistors, now we can generate our transistors by just plus force generation. Great. Now you can check it. Is any error or not? No. Great. Now we can start to preview it. So how to preview it? You just press the preview button. Then you can see actually what the robot moving. Great. It is your first transistors. And after that, there is a approach it button, so I just show you how to work with that. For example, now you operate your robot, then for example just do some position like this. Okay. Oh my god, so I did here position. I don't know how to go back to my home position here. So what I need to do is I can push it here, okay, and then press the preview. Then you find the fast way to go back to my home position of my program 1. So I choose it again. Then I can press the preview button. Then I will show actually how to go to some position, from some position to my home position in program 1. So I hope you might like this video, and in the next video I will show you a little bit more about how to create the trajectories and some operations about the FuzzyStudio. I hope you like this video, and I hope I can see you again. So have a good day. Bye bye.